Okay guys, I don't know how else to make my YouTube channel more popular. I mean, I lost 1 subscriber over the span of probably a month. But I'm actually gonna do it.
Wait. No. Can you spell Crambo?
Cramble? What the hell is that?
Spell.
Just cramble like that?
Yeah. I think.
What am I trying to do?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's what I meant to say. No, I was right. Crambo knife.
I don't know. Oh well guys. You guys have no idea what to do at this point in my channel. I guess now we're gonna be doing a Minecraft playthrough series. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna set it on land. Well, I am, but no cheats. It's gonna be pure survival. Really?
I'm going now.
I've done it before and then I died in the village and so I left the game.
Oh, you play Minecraft?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's alive.
What's loading?
Sorry if it's a bit laggy, guys. Hold on. Let's fancy. Decreased. Alright. So we have just made our survival world. Can't hear it. There you go.
Keep tapping it. It's not working for me.
Go back. It's right there. Right there.
No, sir.
Yeah, that's it.
Dang big. Some land.
Yeah, but I turned down some of the settings to see if it'll make it go any faster. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn on the bonus chest. Ooh, spawned right by a cave.
And start getting cobblestone. Oh, that's loud. Oh.
Yeah, it'll be fine. I mean, it's probably just because I'm recording a Minecraft video.
I know.
No, I'm doing it for my fans. Well, I mean, if I have any more after I just harassed them,
Who?
my fans.
Where's he at? He's watching.
No,
He's in the game.
no, I'm recording a YouTube video.
Alright, what's my name, Rose?
What's your name, fat nigger? Oh, I just said the N-word. I'm sorry, guys. Please don't
I can't hear you.
get onto YouTube.
I can't hear you.
I mean, YouTube watches your videos, so
Instantly?
yeah.
Oh my god, look. Oh, the sheep. It's one right by 2 caves. Look.
Oh, you found another one?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I need a crafting table.
Yep, right there, look, right.
Nice.
Oh, 3. Wood.
Oh yeah, what am I doing? See, I know every weapon I know every weapon crafting recipe. Just in case if I encounter some mobs, I'm just gonna make a sword.
Isn't it already turning dark?
I think so.
Yes.
See, look, I already hear a zombie.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
See, I think there's a monster spawner near. Hope I find it. Ooh. Ooh. Man, it's gotta be here somewhere. Alright, after I make a stone pick, I'll continue mining. Think you wouldn't pickaxe? You have gotten me through this.
And I could you can tell up Trey.
Alright, he's dead. You like, can I have another piece of gum?
Yes.
Same. What's that?
Yeah, there's a cave on top of the cave. Oh my god. It's a creeper!
Oh man.
Creeper.
You guys are really dedicated to get me.
I said twice.
He's respawned.
Yeah, you stay away from my stone tools.
In dirt.
Oh yeah, I forgot to make a different sword. Yeah, did you take my stone sword?
I did it.
He has nothing in his inventory.
I'm missing my stone sword. Oh yeah, I canceled it before the zombie attacked me.
It broke.
No, it disappeared. Dang, 7 minutes up. Excuse me. Well guys, I might end it at like 10 minutes recording because I'm lazy.
Come here, Cal. You did.
Alright, so far I've got like 15 gold.
Perfect. Got me a good state.
This is a good survival build. Well guys, I'm gonna end this little Minecraft extravaganza. I'll see you guys later.